Hey, what's up? I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. I've just been going through some things. I had an allergic reaction that lasted nearly 2 weeks, and I'm finally kind of getting back to normal with my skin. It was hectic. I planned on filming some videos right before that happened, and unfortunately my face was swollen and red, and it is not cute at all, and I did not want to film looking like that. So I apologize for not uploading anything, but yeah, here I am finally filming a video for you. If you are new to my channel, my name is Alexis Celine. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and before you leave, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Today I'll be sharing some Amazon beauty products, some that I recently discovered and some that are repurchases because I just love them so much and I needed more. So yeah, if you're an Amazon lover like me, then please just keep watching. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is this Detangling Spray from the Honest Company. This stuff smells amazing. Kind of describe it to you. It kind of reminds you of like a cupcake or like a dessert or something like that. The scent is a sweet orange vanilla, a leave-in hair conditioner, and it helps with dry hair and kind of gives you a shine. And also too, if your hair is pretty tangled, it helps alleviate the knots. Usually I always throw my hair up in a messy bun mostly every day. So if I want to curl it or straighten it, I've been spraying this in my hair before I do so to help get out any knots, and it really honestly helps a lot. So what it has is argan oil, shea butter, jojoba protein, and quinoa extract, which helps soften and smooth calm cowlicks, knots, and flyaways, which this hair has all the time. It looks a little crazy right now, but I didn't do anything to it. I just threw it up in a ponytail and called it a day because I don't have any time to be messing with my hair and makeup. It's just too much. This is a great size. This one is 4 fluid ounces. It also says you can use it on damp or dry hair, whatever your preference is. And also, all the products will be listed in the description box if you're interested in purchasing any of them. I really recommend this. It works really well. So on to the next product. The next product are these slanted tweezers right here. Now I went ahead and purchased these to help apply falsies. Actually, I kind of have a hard time with using this type of applicator. I feel like I don't have that much control over where I'm placing it. So I wanted to purchase these, and I've seen a lot of people using these. Hoping they work good. In this type of tweezer, I feel like the design of them will definitely help in placing the lashes more securely, and I've seen a lot of people use these versus the other tool that I just showed you. I'm excited to try them out and see if they work. And the next product, of course, I had to get a replacement. You can never have enough eyelash glue. This by far is the best in the world. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know about in the world, but so far out of all the ones that I've tried in the past, this has been my go-to. Or back in high school, I would use the Duo, the blue little squeeze tube. But I learned my lesson with that one. It would get air bubbles, and once I would squeeze it near the lash, it would pop and get the glue all over the lashes, and it was just a mess. I did also try the Kiss one for a while, and I wasn't too fond of it. Yeah, this one has been my go-to. What I like about this glue is that once you apply it, it goes on blue, but then it dries clear. So it's very easy to work with, and if you end up getting it on the lash band or your eyeshadow, it doesn't show up. You won't have to like redo your whole makeup. It's not a hassle. Definitely try it out if you haven't, or if you're in search of a lash glue, then get you this one. Just to let you know that a lot of makeup products on Amazon are way more affordable than in store. Don't quote me because I'm not exactly sure, but I'll be listing the price. This was like 4 something on Amazon, and at Walmart it was like 5 something. I know it's not much difference, but still, a penny is a penny to me. So yeah, definitely cheaper on there. Also, Amazon has a lot of makeup products on sale. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. Next up, I have these brushes right here. They are paint brushes, but I use them to cut my crease or clean up my brows. You can honestly use it for anything when it comes to your face, such as the big ones, applying foundation or concealer to contour your face. They are really a game changer. I do have a set already, but I needed some new ones because those were getting pretty worn out. So there are 10 brushes in here. These little brushes right here, I like to use them with applying these kind of liners that are like water activated, have a more precise crisp line and application. They are super easy to work with. The brush hairs are not too stiff. Work great with any product. So yeah, definitely recommend these. I did get some from Walmart, but they did not work as good as these here. So yeah, I just went ahead and repurchased them. For the next product, I picked up these Ardell individual lashes. And online, they looked a little different than they do here in person. In person, they do look very synthetic and have that little shininess to it. Makes it appear more artificial. These are not the type of lashes that I typically go for. Normally, I do not use bottom lashes, but I wanted to purchase them because when I do wear falsies, I feel like they just add so much volume to my eye. My under eye looks just so bare and it just needs some more volume. So I wanted to pick up some individual lashes to apply under there just to give it a little bit more fullness to match the eyelid. So I believe they're all one size, which are short. There are 56 individual lashes in this packet. I don't know how this is gonna look on, but I definitely will be trying it out. Let me just show you close up what they look like just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it does have like shininess to it when the light hits it. So yeah, next product. Okay, so this next product I am so excited about because you know when you find a product that you really like and you just like don't want to switch up, you have to keep like repurchasing that. That's how I felt about the Real Technique sponges. I found an alternative that is way more affordable than that sponge. You get 5 of them for the value of 1 of them, and it is these beauty sponges right here. These are freaking way better than the Real Techniques one. Super bouncy and spongy. They are not dense. You're able to work in the product. So it comes in various colors, which I like. One thing that the Real Technique has versus this one is the slanted edge on it. That's okay because the top of these come more to a point, so you can use that to blend in your concealer or foundation under your eye and near your nose. They do have another pack with different colors to choose from, so there's 2 packs to choose from. I bought 1 set already and I repurchased it to get some more because you can never have enough beauty blenders. I really love these sponges because honestly it really blends in your foundation or your concealer and it has no patchiness at all, which I really love. If you're interested or if you have not found the right beauty sponge for you, then definitely give these a try. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Up next are these Erase Your Face cloths by Danielle Creations. So I believe these are a cheaper alternative for the original makeup erasers. Those are $20 just for one, and they are way smaller than these here. I have seen some videos of people talking about using these, so I was excited to go ahead and purchase these. It claims that it has the ability to remove all types of cosmetics, including waterproof mascara, without the use of any harmful chemicals or makeup removers. With just warm water, each cloth will remove the toughest makeup and be sure to give you a fresh, clean feeling. The less work, the better for me. You don't have to go and get a makeup remover and you use a whole bunch of little cotton pads. That's incredible. I am super stoked to try these out and hopefully they work because this will save me a lot of time. Am I the only person at night who hates taking off my makeup? It's a hassle. Honestly, it's a hassle. Hopefully this will help alleviate all that trouble. It's way bigger than the original ones. Definitely I'm interested in seeing how good they work. But let's move on to the next product. This next product, I was just scrolling through the Amazon deal of the day section, the beauty category, and I came upon this here facial cleansing machine. I was very excited to purchase this. It was on sale, and also because like I said, I leave my makeup on at night. I'm too freaking lazy to take it off. So this will help remove all that gunk that's like stuck in my pores, and I've noticed that the pores on my nose and cheeks have been a little clogged. This is how it comes. It is a very sleek. This is the tip, sort of like a spatula. It comes with a little cord to charge it, and it has these 2 silicone attachments. They have this texture on this side and then this one. So it has this little pamphlet. It gives you different modes to select from, which will give you the correct setting that you need on the tool. The machine has different modes. I'm not too sure which one is used for what. And the pamphlet doesn't give too much information on the different selections. Maybe they have a website that I can look into. Yeah, up next is this curling iron from Conair. I was so sad. Around Easter, we traveled to Florida and I lost my curling wand. I don't know exactly where. I guess when we stopped at a rest area or gas station, it fell out of the truck. Yeah, I had that baby for like 6 years. It was like my go-to tool. It was so easy to use. It was the Conair product as well. I got it from Walmart and it lasted me forever. Literally did not curl my hair for a while because I did not purchase a new one. So this one was on sale on Amazon, so I went ahead and purchased it. It is a 1-inch barrel. I love the color of it. It is this one here. So it is the one with the clamp. It does tend to pull your hair a little bit. I decided to get it and give it a try because I had been with the wand for so long. I forgot how these were. It's not too bad, but honestly, I think I prefer the wand versus this one. So it does have a turbo button and 1 through 30. So it does come with a pamphlet to let you know what setting would go good with your hair type. For me, my hair is pretty dry and thin. Around 5, no more than 15 is what's recommended for my hair type. So it's very easy to use. It gives me good curls, just depending on how long you sit there and hold it for, the better your curls will be. I can insert a picture of how my hair has looked so you can see how it works on my hair. It does not feel cheap at all. It has a good weight to it. The cord is pretty long too, which is a plus. I don't know if this has like the power setting to where it will turn off if it gets too hot like the other one that I had, the wand. I have not tried that on this one yet. Let's move on to the final product for this video. So this last item that I'm going to be sharing with you, I had it in my wish list on Amazon forever, over a year. I don't know why I didn't decide to just pick it up back then, but yeah, I finally got it. It wasn't expensive at all. It is this big ass book for your eyelashes. They can hold up to 16 pairs of eyelashes. Usually after wearing lashes, I'll just like take them off and place them on the counter, in my kitchen, in my living room, in my restroom, wherever I am. And then I end up losing the box or not knowing which style I was wearing. So you can get you one of these and write down the style that it is in the book with a erasable marker. And after you're done wearing them, you can go ahead and place them in this book so you don't lose the set. And this is what it looks like inside. It does feel a little cheap, but it does have this plastic cover over it so the lashes are secure and they will not be falling out. Hopefully this helps in saving my lashes so I can use them longer and get more uses out of them. Alright, so that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Amazon beauty products that I recently discovered and some that I had to repurchase because I'm in love with. Let me know if you try any of these products out or if you have before. Let me know which ones you plan on purchasing. Thank you again for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you made it this far and you aren't yet subscribed. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave and hit the little bell to be notified of any of my future uploads so you don't want to miss it. With that being said, see you in the next video. Bye.